Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I wish you'll be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is an English for grade 5, and we are learning unit number 8, and its title is A Walk in Paradise. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease, and I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 4, under the title of grammar, we will learn about action verbs from the text, and we have to find out action verbs from the chapter unit 8. So my dear students and my dear fellow teachers, already in English for grade 3, we have already learned about verb, then what is a verb and what are action verbs. I hope you remember it. If you will not, so you can watch this video lecture again. And today we are going to learn further about recognize and use more action verbs from extended environment in speech and writing. Yes, my dear fellow teachers and my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Ar-Rahman, verse number 19 and 20, He released the two seas meeting side by side. Between them is a wall, so neither of them disobeys. Subhanallah, my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us about the attributes of Allah Almighty, that Allah Almighty has power to do anything. That this beautiful verse, He released the two seas side by side. There is no boundary, okay? But by the will of Almighty Allah, there is the wall and they don't meet with each other. So this is, and there I have highlighted two words, my dear students, released and disobeys. So do you know which words are these? Yes, these are verbs. So today we are going to learn about verbs. See there, are you ready for your brainstorming activity? See there, my dear students, what is this and which action is going on? Next one, see there. Okay, and tell to your teacher. See there, next one. Oh, which is this action? What's going on? Good. Wow. See there what they are doing. Good. Here is another one. Wow, look what he is doing. Good. Excellent job. Next one. Oh, he's taking rest, sleeping. So, do you know which all are these? Yes, these are actions. So let's see. Good, my dear students. What is action? Every action is called verb. Every action that we do, my dear students, all actions, even we sit, this is an action and this is called verb. I am talking to you, so talk is an action and it's verb. You are listening me, so listen is an action and it is a verb. Okay, so all action, every action is called verb. Different actions are there. So see there, you can also read that. Read with me, my dear students. Like walk, run, stand, cry, read, laugh, play, write, think, and jump. Have you got? So good. Now we are moving toward our unit. So yes, open your book, page number 59. We are going to start unit number 8, A Walk in Paradise. So have you opened, my dear students? Good job. We are going to start from now, page number 60, and it's our first paragraph. Have you done with it? Good. So be ready for reading. I'm going to narrate the story of my most beautiful trip to Azad Kashmir, which is paradise on earth. My family made a plan to visit Azad Kashmir during the summer vacation last year. Our journey started from Muzaffarabad. We took a break to taste the famous Kashmiri Gushtaba. Yes, my dear students, what did you get from it? Yes, this is a storyteller, a narrator. Okay, he is describing his journey towards Kashmir, Azad Kashmir. And what is Azad Kashmir? Azad Kashmir is considered as a paradise on earth. Okay, so he also made a plan with his family and he went to visit Azad Kashmir, and where their journey started. Their journey started from Muzaffarabad. And where they get stay? Yeah, they got stay on like to taste Kashmiri Gushtaba, famous. Okay, famous meal is there, so they stayed there and they took this meal. Okay, now let's see what happened next. And there is another word for you. Narrate means to tell something, that event or any happening that has happened with us, and when we share with each other, we share it with others, so it means we are telling all these. Okay, so this is called narrate. Next one, there is a question for you. Which is the famous dish of Kashmir tasted by the narrator? Okay, so which is famous dish? Even we have read now. Good job. Yes, definitely it is Kashmiri Gushtaba. Good job. Here is another question for you. What did the narrator and his family do on their break stop at Muzaffarabad? What did they do? Same answer is there. Good job. You have to use your mind this. Yes, they took a break to taste the famous Kashmiri Gushtaba. So where they took break? Yes, at Muzaffarabad. Is it clear? Good job. Now, next. Then we started our journey around noon. The people of Kashmir were so friendly that whenever we passed by them, they waved at us in greeting. So yes, my dear students, so these lines are telling about the nature of Kashmiri people, that how they were when we visited and how they were. They're so friendly in nature, and they were waving us that, and they were saying welcome that we visited their village there, like Kashmir. We reached the Neelam Valley in the afternoon. The Neelam River was right in front of us. It is blue but turns muddy green when it rains heavily. This green valley, along with its clear blue river, is very pleasing to the eyes. Yes, so the narrator is trying to sketch the beauty of Kashmir. Okay, he is also telling us about the Neelam River, that they also have seen the Neelam River and its color when it is blue and when it turns into muddy green. So, okay, and this whole scene was so soothing for the narrator. Okay, and also we are also feeling happiness when we are getting that and when we are reading that, how beautiful Kashmir is. Okay, so let's see, there is a question for you. How are the people of Kashmir? Good job. Yes, they are very friendly. Okay, the people of Kashmir are very friendly. Yeah, next. Come next. We stayed at a hotel where we viewed the river and ate our lunch there. The next day we decided to go to Arankale and Taubat. We woke up early and were excited to start the day. Okay, now he is also informing us about his next day plan, that how they planned next day and where they wanted to go. They decided to go to visit Arankale and Taubat. Okay, and they woke up early, and because they had to start a journey. So here is a word for you. You have to get it meaning. Excites, in an energy state higher than the normal. When we are excited to do something, when we are excited to move to another place, so this is such excitement when we behave extremely like higher than normal, when we are in normal behavior, so when we behave like in exciting way. Okay, so this means excites. Next is, on the road, the natural beauty starts at Tehran onwards. The river spreads wide and slows down with thick forest covered across. Then came the left turn towards Kutan Jagra. Cal is the next stop to enjoy the valley. Cal has a very high chairlift that takes you to Arankale. We enjoyed the ride of the chairlift and later reached Arankale. Okay, he is describing, he is like sharing his all experience that he got from like on the way to Arankale. Okay, how they got, and they also used chairlift and they enjoyed river, thick forests. He is trying to describe the natural beauty of Kashmir. Okay, here is a question for you, my dear students. How did the narrator and his family get to Arankale? So yes, how they got to Arankale? Good job. Yes, they enjoyed ride of the chairlift and later reached Arankil. Okay, good. Next, see there is an image for you. So can you get there? Yes, this is the Neelam River. Okay, so beautiful place. This picture is also in your book also, my dear students. So now we are moving toward an activity. So be ready. Yes, my dear teacher, what you have to do? Be quick and active. Let's work in groups now. Get students in different group. Okay. So be quick, my dear teacher. Get your students in different group. Okay. After getting in groups, so what you have to do? Let's see. You have to say them, my dear teacher, to circle verbs from the text we read just now. That group will do first and correct will be the winner. Okay, what you have to do? You have to circle the verbs from the text that we have read now. So be ready and be quick. Your time starts now and that group will do first. He will be the winner. So pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Oh, welcome back and good job. I hope you have done with it with so much excitement. Good, my dear students. So now what you have to do, now it's time to move toward an individual activity on page number 62. There is a question number 1. Answer the following question. Question number A, C and D. You have to answer these questions in your notebook under your teacher supervision. Good job. Excellent. I hope you have done with it because already we have answered these questions during our lecture. The same questions are there, my dear students. So what's your homework for today? Yes, you have to observe activities of your family members at home. Write all action verbs in your notebooks. So what you have to do, you have to observe the actions of your family member. Definitely they will do something, sleep or walk or eat, drink, anything else. So all actions you will observe and then you will write in your notebook. This is your homework task for today. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get it and provide it to your students in printed form so that we might be able to get that how much knowledge students have got about action words. So what we have learned today? Today we learned about action verbs. We also located action verbs from the text. And in this way, what we have learned, we have covered up this SLO and we have done a great job. Yes, my dear students, so we have done with it today. And also we have got that how we can locate action verbs from our speech and writing. So tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Till that time, have a nice day. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.